So Jake's journey mate has joined us, joined Bushwhacker Man on a camp out and Girl Outdoors. So we arrived last night, we set up, we didn't film. We're having a nice breakfast this morning over the fire. Becky's cooking. What we got? Bacon rolls.
Bacon and egg wraps.
Very nice. Jake's bought a Peugeot Boxer, haven't you?
Peugeot Boxer, extra long wheelbase, and yeah, basically mid-conversion for going full-time on the road in it, and be good.
I had a look round last night. I'll show you around later if Jake don't mind.
That sounds good.
Show you the rig.
Not much going on yet, but I'm sure we'll get it back at some point and have a proper look round.
Yeah. So we've met each other via YouTube, but never in the flesh. This is our first time. This is Becky's boyfriend, isn't it, Bex? You got a little bit of shot on camera there. Smoke there.
How do you sleep then?
Yeah, really well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We heard you snoring in the night.
Did you? Did you honestly hear me snoring?
No, we didn't.
I didn't hear nothing. I got up about 1:30, it was all quiet.
Yeah?
That's where Becky and Jake slept last night. Nice comfortable setup. And there's me and the Landy, the Oztent. So what are you making there, Jake?
This here, just so we can bring it over the fire a bit more.
Oh, what, for the coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Stick it in like that. Might have cut it a little short actually, but we'll see.
Oh, the old bacon looks nice.
You like yours well done as well, didn't you?
It's amazing, 1 pack of bacon reduces down to that. There's much water.
Yeah. Bad, isn't it?
The egg and bacon wrap, courtesy of Bex.
Enjoy.
Oh my god. They just saw it.
You're gonna whack that old bush pot on then, Bex?
Yeah, do you want a coffee?
Yeah, love one.
Coffee.
On me. Left, right. Lucky you're a military man, isn't it? Left, right.
Oh, do you know your left and your right?
Nah, do you?
Yeah, fine. Teamwork's dreamwork, man.
Yeah, that's what I like to say, a man and woman working in harmony.
This ain't no harmony.
We go a little tour of Jake's van, and you're going to be full time, aren't you?
Full time, yeah, on the road, sending it.
So you just bought this a little while ago, and he's converting it out.
So it's an extra long wheelbase Peugeot Boxer, 67 plate. I think it had like 90,000 miles on the clock when I bought it. Prices of vans at the minute have gone up mad, man. Absolute mental. Everyone's sort of going for like the van life sort of scene. But I sort of decided this a year ago when leaving the army, right, send it, get out, go full time. But yeah, this is all we've sort of done with it so far. We're kind of mid-build.
So you put windows, you cut the windows in.
Yeah, so we cut the
panels.
Yeah, so this was just a standard panel fan before. So we've put a sliding window in on the side here. On the opposing side, we've got a small window that you can see in there, and that's just going to be above where the cooker and stuff is. Further set back on the right hand side, we've got a big pano window. That doesn't open, but it's quite a nice viewing point. And then
that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, literally. Check the old woodlands out, and then in the rear doors we've got a slider.
So all round. Oh, you got sliders in the rear?
Yeah, sliders in the rear, just so we can between that and the max air fan, we can drag cool air over ourselves in the summer when in bed. And obviously, yeah, rear rack here, Rhino.
Got the Rhino. And how long's that Rhino rack? So you get some kit up there. You got a roller on there as well, haven't you? Yeah,
so length, it's 4.1 metres by 1.8 metres wide. So decent amount of room for solar panels. Me and Bex are looking at a canoe currently, so chucking that up there as well, getting us out on the water. But yeah, it's a decent sort of base to build your van from. We've just had it spray foamed literally the day before yesterday, and yeah, she's on the road to getting built up.
The bulkhead as well.
Yeah, so the bulkhead's gone. At some point I think we're going to go for swivel seats, double captain seats in the front. So yeah, they'll look pretty groovy, and you can get through into the cab easier then.
It's a good size, isn't it?
Yeah, so
great
I think
size
internal,
for full-time living.
Yeah, definitely. Internal length's 4 metres from the back of the seats, 4 metres 7 centimetres by 180, I think it is. So decent size.
So, and when you're hoping to fully kit it out?
Get it fully finished and done. What are we now? Start of March. I reckon mid-May we'll have it done. So another 2.5 months sort of thing.
Be fully livable.
Fully livable and pretty much out on the road by then. So yeah, still got diesel eater, all the electrics and batteries and stuff like that to go in. Obviously the full works really.
Yeah.
But yeah, got like a Thetford oven and stuff like that to come in. Didn't really want to compromise on an oven because I like chicken nuggets.
Nice bit of chicken.
Yeah.
And so where do people find you to watch this build?
So we're over on Jake's Journey Mate on YouTube and Instagram, and this current build is Operation Boxer. So if you want to check it out, head over and yeah, we'll try and get some more videos in the future, won't we, of the truck and yourself together.
Yeah,
so,
brilliant.
be looking decent.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for the tour.
Nice, good man. Cheers. Anytime.
Preparing a chilli. Becky and Jake are out on a walk, so I'll stay back and doing my bit. Nice chili beef. Definitely the weather for it. It's turned a little bit nippy. It's a little bit dank, so it's going to go down well. I'll tell you what, that smells gorgeous. So that's baked beans, kidney beans, mushrooms, potatoes, cherry tomatoes, mince, and a few spices in there. That's going to be beautiful. How was the walk then, Jake?
It was pretty groovy, yeah.
Yeah.
We found a bit of birch on the way back in, burn that in the burner later.
Oh, that's alright. Yeah, I've been busy at camp, being mum, cooking.
Proper housewife, isn't
Thank you, Mum. Look at that.
Oh, it looks really nice, Dean. I'm coming here more often, me, Bex. Gangsters.
You got soup, mate.
That smells mint, that.
You haven't tasted it yet.
Yeah. What's he put in there?
That's lush.
Feel the air. Feel the air, bro.
Cheers, guys.
Nearly went.
Cheers.
Chin. Cheers, sister. Yeah.
That's cooled off, isn't it?
Yeah. Sharing.
Hey, that's mint, that.
Like it?
Yeah, decent.
So we've all had a great day. Just chilling out around the Land Rover, make the final brew, and I'll be heading to bed. Lovely meal. The chili went down really nice. And sleep well and pack up tomorrow. We'll be heading out. But it was a nice weekend with Becky and her boyfriend Jake. So I had a great time, and he enjoyed himself. So awesome. And I'll see you in the morning. That's what I love about that tent. It's pack up day. All you're thinking about is packing up and getting home. And something that simple. Just go and peg it, roll it up, put it in a bag and put it in the landy and done. We're all done, we're all packed up and we've had a great time.
Big
Three of
groove,
us,
hasn't
haven't
it?
we?
All groove.
Enjoyed it, Jake?
Yeah, it's been decent.
Yeah. And we had a few scary stories around the campfire last night, and we're all a bit scared going to bed, but we all slept well, didn't we? We all survived the night.
Want to talk about it?
Until the next one, enjoy the great outdoors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Sounds good.
See you
Take
guys.
care.
One love.
Bye, Cam's boy.
Right, you can get the breakfast on now, guys.
Yeah. Right, do one of them.
Bloody hell. Come on, Ben.